I invite Dr. CBIT Group, Principal CBIT, to come out to the dance. Also request Dr. R.P. Chaudhary, of the Department Mechanical Engineering, to come out. I request Dr. N. Janardhan to function coordinator. Now I request Dr. Anil Kumar to come out to the dance. Okay. In fact, this is asking to do the
مرد
Finally, I like to call Dr. Veera Prabhu to the dance. I finally need a stamina to comments are even. I request all the dignitaries to come forward for the live lap typing ceremony.
చూపించాలి. కదా సార్ రిస్ట్రిక్షన్ వాయిస్ బయటకి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ వాయిస్ మొబైల్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ లేదు కానీ
Thank you to all the dignitaries for joining us and making this moment special. We will now begin the program with an invocation. I invite Lakshmi Neera from the Mechanical Engineering Department to render the invocation song. I kindly request everyone to stand up for this.
Instead of the tone for this workshop, the providers with an overview of its purpose. I now invite Dr. S. Janardhan, workshop coordinator, to deliver the research commentaries.
Very good morning and warm welcome to all dignitaries, faculty members, students present here. The inauguration function of the 1 week workshop on recent advances in design, manufacturing, testing and composites is happening today for the benefits of all academic, industry and research companies. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming scientists, DRDO, ASL, ISAMBE members to these pragmatic sessions and gathering. To mention, due to the unforeseen circumstances of Chief Guest CBIT Paparangaru, ASL, DRDO, and one of our faculty, Dr. Manoj K. Brahman, are unable to join us today. However, we are honored to welcome Sri Anil Kumar, who is also the partner of this 1 week workshop as the Chief Guest. On behalf of CBIT College Management, our esteemed president and principal, our faculty and staff, I would like to express our gratitude to our chief guest, Sri Anil Kumar, who is outstanding scientist, ASL DRDO, for gracing the occasion today. My deep gratitude is due to our chief advisor, Dr. K. Virukraman, scientist F, for guiding throughout the process and accepting the grace of our inaugural function. Thanks once again to scientist community of DRDO for giving permission to organize this workshop in collaboration with DRDO, ASL, and ISAMBE. We feel privileged to have interactions with such a great scientist community among us today. ISAMBE is an Indian Society Advancement of Materials and Processing Materials. ISAMBE has been organizing a number of conferences, seminars, product exhibitions, and workshops in this vital field of composites, as they are getting delivered by highly acclaimed scientists. We are very fortunate, sir. Earlier, I have attended ISAMBE conferences 2-3 times and got motivated by the sessions and decided to conduct this particular workshop. This workshop is a perfect platform bridging the gap between academia and the industry. I now express my sincere thanks to our beloved principal, sir, for all support in organizing this workshop. I finally would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to the organizing committee and all volunteers who have worked tirelessly to bring this event to life. Dedication and commitment are truly commendable. Thank you for being here and hope you enjoy your workshop sessions. Let's make this event a memorable one. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the warm welcome and for outlining the vision of the workshop. Our institution's vision and achievements have always been a source of inspiration. On that note, I request Dr. C.V. Narasimhan, Principal of CBIT, to share his thoughts and insights with the gathering.
A very good morning to Honorable Staff Honors, Dr. Anil Kumar, outstanding scientist, Associate Director, Advanced System Laboratory, DRDO, and Dr. K. Veerapandiyan, Scientist, Advanced System Laboratory, DRDO, General Secretary, ISANPE, Head of the Department, Dr. R. P. Chaudhary, And the coordinator of this program, Dr. N. Janardhan, the co-coordinators, my professors of mechanical department, associate professors, assistant professors, non-teaching staff, and particularly participants for this 1 week one week workshop on recent advances in design, manufacturing, and testing of composites in collaboration with advanced system laboratories we are getting. At the outset, let me congratulate all the participants for participating in this wonderful workshop on recent on advances in design, manufacturing, and the testing of composites. First of all, I would like to thank as Dr. K. Brahma, in spite of their busy schedule, who will replace this section. Thank you both of you, sir. I also appreciate the HR department and the coordinator people, Janardhan, and the team for taking initiation in conducting workshop, particularly in collaboration with the Control System Laboratory, DRDO. I appreciate that. I also once again thank DRDO USL authorities for collaborating, for permitting us to collaborate to conduct this workshop, CBIT. So it is customary for the principal to tell few words about the college. The college was established in 1979, sir. The 46 years ago. It's the first autonomous college in the all its regular programs are accredited by NBA. So it is is accredited with recently. And we have 275 faculty members. Out of 275, 265 faculty members are PhD holders. That is more than 65% of the faculty members are PhD holders. It is a record in Telangana state mechanics. So, towards a management commitment for the development of the teaching community and showing their interest to make this college forward in next level. I also appreciate our faculty and the non-teaching community for their various talented and dedicated work to take this college to next level. So these are all, and also our placements also very good, I would say, the entire entities. Last year and this year also we got the highest CTC also 59.9 lakhs as well as 51 lakhs in location and operation. Yeah, we got several sponsored and contributed projects from various funding agencies, including AAC, BST, and also some are foreign collaborations also. So we are very fortunate to work with CBIT, and we are also very fortunate to collaborate with industries and high performing industries in India, like ASL. These are a few of our projects. And regarding this workshop, once again, appeal all the participants who are attending in offline and online. Normally, you show interest while registering. Just go by, just go down, and again you come back on the last day to receive this certificate. So, request all the participants attend regularly all the sessions without missing any single session. And also request class department and coordinate also to maintain minimum about 80% of attendance. Otherwise, do not issue in a certificate for that. This is what I have television of all participants. Every day there is no doubt. I have lot of confidence opportunity Anil Kumar and Brahma. So normally we conduct examinations. Now it is examinations and definitely you will carry a beautiful insights on the several concepts. It is a real opportunity. So I know they will give you a stellar performance. They are approved in India. So don't miss any single session also. Please attend with the direct attention and note down whatever the name and I also request you all as some of them are physical sessions, problem sessions. We try to interact with the business partners.
1 or 600.
Don't only manual communication. Definitely, business partner will allow you
Well,
to the session.
వాళ్ళ mobile ఏదో something.
If you have any doubts in the session, please ask them then and there itself. It is a
Currently doubt
participants. With these keywords, I once again appreciate the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I also thank the ASLD authorities for collaborating to conduct this workshop at the CBIT. And also I thank all the participants for making the program a grand success. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for highlighting the vision that I was asked to show. The Mechanical Engineering Department has always been at the forefront of academic and research excellence. I now request Dr. Anvi Chaudhary.
Morning to one and all. Respected also.
Make
Then
it.
guest of honor, President Dr. K. Veerabraman garu, Dr. Anil Kumar garu.
మైక్ సెలెక్ట్
Then
దగ్గర పెట్టిన రావట్లేదు చూడండి బ్లింక్ అవుతుంది లైట్ బ్లింక్ అవుతుంది
other dignitaries of the dais and my dear student community.
రావట్లేదు
Good morning to one and all. I hereby welcome you, all of you, to the 1 week workshop on recent advances in design, manufacturing and testing of composites. This connection regarding the Department of Mechanical Engineering. As we are aware, the department was established during the year 1979, along with the inception of the institute, with an intake of 60, and at present the intake is 120. And the department is also running one PG program in CAD campus with an intake of 18. So the department is accredited by NBA for 7 times and an ACT A++ grade. At present, the department is having 40 faculty, out of which 27 are PhD holders. And we are also having 18 highly skilled non-teaching staff. So the average reach index of the department is around 13. The research projects worth of 305 lakhs were completed since inception from the reputed agencies like DST, AICT, UGC, DRDO, BHEL, NSTL, etc. And at present, several research projects are also ongoing. At present, 3 projects worth 63 lakhs and several other in-house projects, along with 7 consultancy projects, are also on the anvil. The departmental faculty has published around 37 patents and 14 patents were granted till now. The department has organized around 125 conferences, seminars, workshops. And till now, we have also organized 20 FDPs and STTPs. The faculty have also attended around 400 programs, say STTPs or FDPs, etc. Our department is also a recognized research center by Osman University. And at present, we are having 13 PhD supervisors in the department. The PhDs awarded under the guidance of the faculty were 65 as of now, and another 75 for our students are pursuing. Similarly, the departmental faculty also received several awards, including Bharat Ratna Sir Mokshakonda Visvesvaraya Award instituted by IEA, Institution of Engineers India, Telangana chapter, 2 awards were received. Engineer of the Year awards, 2 awards. Young Engineer awards, 4 awards. Then best paper poster presentation awards are around 10 were received. Then NASA Excellence Award instituted by USA, 1 award was received by Professor P. Ravindra Reddy sir. Raja Rambabu Patil National Award instituted by IST was also received by Professor Ravindra Reddy sir. Then our faculty also bagged 5 best teacher awards instituted by the institute. And 15 of the faculty are functioning as journal reviewers. 5 faculty are members and editorial board members. And 4 faculty are in the various selection committee. They are working as members. Similarly, several faculty are working on the other institutes, BOS and advisory committees also. The department has industry institute collaborations with prestigious institutes like DMRL, RCI, ASL, NRTDC, Hexagon, Deccan Auto, etc. So in the last 5 years itself, our departmental faculty have published around 250 research articles in various journals. The department is also equipped with 17 laboratories, which includes facilities like 3D printers, robotics and drones lab, then dashboard, vertical machining, CNC milling, nano UTM, image analyzer, wear testing. All these are state-of-the-art equipment in research and testing facilities. The department has 3D innovation lab supported by Hexagon Capability Center India, and it is equipped with softwares like PV Elite, Tank, and Stationer 2 to prepare the students for industry needs. It is worth of 7 crores. So the department also has bagged prestigious Cerbus Sati project worth 70 crores in collaboration with IIT Hyderabad and other allied institutes. So another important thing is our faculty, Professor P. Ravindra Reddy sir, has taken up multidisciplinary project Indo-American Artificial Heart Program in collaboration with Sheer India University of Pittsburgh, Cornell University, AIG Hospital, Palamur Biosciences. So this is an innovative research project on contemporary and societal needs. And similarly, the departmental students also have got several recognitions. During the past 3 years, around 60 papers were published by our students. We have student chapters, around 8 student chapters are also there. SCE, student clubs, SCE, ASME, then Astra Club, etc., etc. They have participated in several competitions, FSCAE, Italy, and Supra. Then all the SCAE, ASME events, they will be participating, and they have won several prizes also. Similarly, students have participated and won medals in several national and international sports events. So 44 awards and prizes were won during the last, say, 3 to 4 years itself. Right. So with this brief introduction, there are several things, several other achievements also. Right. Now, with this brief introduction about our department, I hereby welcome you all to the 1-week workshop on the recent advances in design, manufacturing, testing of composite materials. So, as the speakers, as our principal sir and coordinator Jonathan has told, the speakers are from eminent institutes like DRDO, and we have also arranged for industry visit. DRDO is a premier research institute in our country. So you will be getting a hands-on experience with them. We are expected to, as participants, you are expected to interact with them, attain get exposure to the recent technological advancements, and definitely those inputs are going to be helpful for you in your future career. So I wish all the best and success for you. I thank the DRDO authorities for deputing their senior faculty, senior scientists for our institute for having hands-on experience for our students. So I thank principal sir and management and other coordinators, student volunteers who are working day and night for making success this program. Thank you, one and all, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful address and for sharing the department's achievements and contributions. Now it is time to hear from our esteemed dignitaries. First, I'd like to call upon Dr. K. Veerabrahman. Sir currently serves as Scientist F at ASL DRDO and is the General Secretary of ISAMPE. His work is focused on high temperature composites with significant contributions to propulsion systems and thermal protection technologies for India's aerospace and missile programs. He has authored numerous research. Okay, so. That has pioneered in integration, testing, and production of Agni-3 missiles, development of tabletop chromatology systems for resins and resins analysis, thermal and mechanical characterization of polymer composites, life prediction and mechanical degradation studies for composite structures, development of biodegradable bags and replacement of polythene bags. Sir, we would like to hear from you. Okay.
Associate Director, Advanced System Technology, DRDO, of CBIT, and the head of the department, today's coordinator of this workshop, who is a man in front of the screen, Dr. Rahul, medical student coordinators, details, etc. And today's workshop is design, manufacturing of composites. For this, we are very happy to come here and to share our experiences. We are very glad to come here and to join with you. Indian Society for Material Mass Processing. This is a society made for taking forward the composites technology to various industries and regions of government. The main motto of this society. Now, in that scenario, we are conducting series of workshops. In fact, Dr. Janardhan has participated. Of course, many of the members are there from this college CBIT. As part of industry institute as well as sample and academic interaction, we are proposing to conduct some workshops at colleges. We have to take forward this composite technology to various colleges and students and in that, many colleges have come forward, like NBSR College, CBIT College, so many colleges have come forward and they have requested us to conduct workshop at their colleges. They have come and met, they have not come. But CBIT has, as soon as we told they have come very positively with their faculty, with their student members also. So really, I feel very, very happy. Then we thought of okay, we can start the first workshop at the CBIT. So in that way, That credit goes to CBIT only because this is the first workshop, SRP and the DRDO giving the knowledge here to the faculty for this college. The aim of this workshop is, a very good society example. In that, you can become a part of members. In membership, generally, any institutes, if you go, it will be 5,000, 10,000. We kept only 2,000 rupees, like membership. But you will gain the knowledge, not 2,000, 20 lakhs. But knowledge you may not measure with the money, very right. But I can say 2,000 rupees, you can learn, you can get the knowledge of academic. That's why I request all the faculty members and the students who can join this society. It will be very, very good for you to gain knowledge. Coming to the other point of view, mechanical engineering point of view, you see, basically, why we have chosen composites only for this workshop. Nowadays, material science concepts, very well. Metals, ceramics, composites, so many alloys are all there. Conventional materials more or less in fading out. You may be knowing that. Now people are seeing advanced materials where multifunctional materials so that we can go for replacement. With low cost and very good design. So metals, they have their own advantage, high strength and more weight is a drawback, but strength will be very high. And all the things will be there. But when you want to go for the transportation purpose, easy carrying purpose, aerospace structures point of view, metals are much suitable because weight is more, you need more fuel to carry the space shuttle or aerospace structures. Then like the light, high strength materials, we have taken the composites, which is the advanced material, which is useful in the future for design of your house. That's why focusly we have selected composites to get topics. The structure, how we plan this workshop, we may be seeing this in our schedule in a easy understand. The first two classes were given introduction about composites. The basic student who knows what is composite material from that point to then testing of materials, then production of composites, then design of components. When you go for design, as a mechanical engineer, design will be two types: thermal design and mechanical design. And thermomechanical. So thermal design of components, mechanical design of components, production of components, all the structure including a case study. Every person will including a case study, how we will design, how we will make it, everything. I think it's one of the great opportunities for you because you want to listen related to composites. Any YouTube talks also may not be available. Because these are one of the specialized material. You may not be knowing where you will get this type of terms. And then last we thought of that, why can't we plan on industry visit also? That's why we made a schedule on industry visit also. So this is the structure we have planned. And the people who are going to teach you with the world class experts. Not a small right from beginning to everything, they will satisfy you. Don't miss these classes. If you just attend this workshop, entire composite materials will understand. This one. Why? Second point is why we have gone for composites again. Opportunities. Right? Now conventional materials is facing our composites are going. The next few decades, you see the industry is going to thrive in this entire world is drones technology, aerospace technology. You need more aeroplanes, not big aeroplanes. One or two people sitting traveling aeroplanes. You may be knowing small drones carrying humans and others. For that, you need a lightweight material to design the. So, man taking UAVs, unmanned UAVs, manned UAVs, you have to go. For that, it is very, very useful. That's why you need to know now itself how to design the components, how to make the structure, how to test the structure, what are the certifications required. etc. also. I don't think that mechanical engineering students does not have jobs, means I don't believe. Only thing you need one small masala is that you know the subject very well, but you should know some softwares like ANSYS, CATIA. These things you should be expert. Then once you have the basic design and manufacturing concepts are very well known, once you have this touch of flavor, definitely you will get more salary than some computer software engineer gets. I can say 100%. Now, coming to placements and jobs. Placements and jobs is a new thing. First you will learn your mechanical engineering subject excellently and you learn some softwares. Automatically placement will come and job come. Because nowadays, I can say in Hyderabad itself, aerospace companies, earliest 15 years back, there are not more than on fingertips you can count. But now in Hyderabad, there were so many Gachibowli aerospace companies are so many out there, like Azistar, Collins Aerospace, so many out there. So now increasing is going towards aerospace structure. For that, who will the qualified people? Only mechanical engineers qualified, not software engineers. So now, I definitely say that this workshop has kept a lot of effort to bring this to your college. So don't lose that opportunity. Whether offline or online, you can listen very carefully and gain some knowledge. Then after that, you will become expert in composites. Once you listen this entire week. I'm very thankful to each and everybody who are there in front of me. And we are given an opportunity to take that knowledge, excel yourself, work on it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It's now time to hear from our chief guest, Dr. Anil Kumar, a leading expert in ceramic materials and composites. With a PhD in chemical engineering and specialization in ceramic materials and composites, Dr. Kumar currently serves as the Associate Director of ASL and Group Director of High Temperature Composites at DRDO. He has significantly advanced missile propulsion systems, thermal production technologies, and ultra high temperature ceramics. His groundbreaking work includes carbon-carbon, carbon-silicon, carbide composites, and innovations in 3D printed fiber preforms. Dr. Kumar's dedication is evident in his 20 research papers and 8 patents. So we eagerly look forward to your address.
Everybody. So, principal head of the department, Professor Chaudhary, coordinator, Sujara Dutta, and colleague, student coordinators, and all the faculty sitting in the audience, non-teaching staff, importantly, dear students. Morning again. It's a pleasure to be here in Brazil. You amazing team for having me here. This one. This one. Okay, Dr. V. Brahman has already said what all I wanted to say. He has covered all my thoughts. Let's see, I'll have something different to tell about this. Anyway, I must congratulate CBIT, organizing committee, and Dr. V. Brahman to jointly come and then have this workshop, one-day workshop, and have all the eminent speakers. The speakers, you cannot get anybody better than this within the country.
because they are all experts in the highest technology. All working in the missile technology, composite application in the missile technology. So nothing can get any better than that. So I'm sure you'll have a great learning experience. And the other thing is that this subject is not taught in the classroom. Is, I think if at all it is there, I'm not aware of the curriculum, but it may be just maybe about 5% part of some material science course. I think so, but never a full-fledged course. This subject of composites technology is multidisciplinary. It's not just mechanical engineering. It is a combination of chemistry, chemical engineering, material science, some metallurgy, you can say, and of course mechanical, civil, textile. Yeah, textile is also there because you deal with fibers there. Okay. Composite is again combination of two materials, right? It's fiber. Fiber can be either a continuous or it can be a short fiber or it can be a non-woven. And that part of the fiber technology comes from the textile engineering and the structural engineering. Some is some part of civil engineering, some is mechanical engineering. Process is some part chemical engineering, and then you have some chemistry going into it. The form of fiber interfaces, how you are able to bond the fiber and the matrix and have the best property of the materials. So it's really a multidisciplinary subject. And regarding the application, till now, the applications are from a very low-end application, as low as the cooler bodies and some of the fans and some of the appliances bodies, which are made lightweight using composite materials. So those are the very basic composite. Then you have the very high-end application where you make these aircraft structures, missile structures, and again multifunctional materials where it has to perform thermally as well as structurally. Now you are coming up with smart materials, smart composite materials with self-healing properties, self detection of flaws which are embedded in it, and sensors which are placed in it. So some electronics engineering also comes in. So as I said, there's a high level of multidisciplinary subject in this. And certainly the applications are very high. They are for the advanced composite. We call it something which is very basic composite and advanced composite, which has a very high strength to weight ratio. The strength to weight ratio is the most important thing which is utilized for the airborne systems. Basically, the aircraft structures, the missile structures, drones, and whatnot. And also, the same properties are used to make lightweight structures for high-end sports like Formula One cars, racing bicycles, which are made with carbon fiber based composites. So these are very high-end applications, and not to say that they are presently very expensive, very high-end because they undergo a series of tests and then the processing are something state of the art and all that. So what we would like you, a new generation, to make these composites much more affordable. You should be able to make it mass producible. The cost, reduce the cost by newer methods of processing and design and many other aspects which go into the composites technology. So this is what it is about. It's a composite is a technology where the options and
permutations and combinations are, I would say, endless, infinite, because you have so many parameters that you can play with. You have the fiber architecture, hyperfiber, the interface, the matrix, and the processing technology. So they are all different. Unlike metallurgy right now, which has reached a level of maturity, and they have typecast and they have numbers assigned to each metal or each alloy. Aluminum alloy, there are series of alloys which are numbered and they're available. They have standard properties and all that. Unlike that, the composites are materials which are tailor-made to suit the application. And you are the tailors who have to tailor it to suit the specific application. And you can always optimize it in terms of the properties, in terms of the design, this structure, shape, size, and whatnot. You can do it as you like. So it's a very interesting technology once you get into it. I wish all of you will have a great learning experience with all our colleagues here doing this. Once again, I congratulate all of you for participating and have a good one this course. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring We now take this opportunity to honor and felicitate our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Ramo, for the I request Principal Chair, CBIT and Chaudhary and we proceed to the discussion.
Thank you, dignitaries, for your valuable time. Before we conclude the half session, I now invite Dr. Y. S. Kannan, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering, to deliver the word. Respected Chief Guest, Outstanding Scientist, Associate Director, Advanced System Laboratory, DRDO, Dr. K. Veerapallam Garu, Guest of Honor, Scientist Chef, ASL DRDO, and General Secretary and Assistant, Professor C.V. Narasimhan, Principal CBIT, and Dr. R.B. Chaudhary, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and esteemed faculty and dear participants. A warm good morning to everyone. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this momentous occasion of this inaugural session of the 1-week workshop on recent advances in design, manufacturing, and testing of the components. On behalf of the organizing committee, I extend my sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. Anil Kumar Garu, and guest of honor, Dr. K. Veerapallam Garu, for gracing this occasion with your valuable presence and inspiring words.
Your esteemed contributions to the field of research and technology serve as a beacon for all of us, and we are truly honored by your participation today. And I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our respected principal, C.V. Narasimha, for his continuous support and encouragement, which has been instrumental in the successful organization of this workshop. We are grateful to Dr. R.P. Chaudhary Garu, head of the department, for his leadership and guidance, which has been hard for this workshop's execution. A special thanks to the coordinators of the workshop, Dr. N. Janardhan sir and Dr. Rao sir, for their tireless efforts in bringing this workshop together, ensuring everything runs smoothly. I also take this opportunity to thank all the distinguished faculty members, participants, and organizing team members for their individual support in making this workshop a reality and a grand success. Lastly, I would like to thank all the participants for showing keen interest, and I would like to inform you that we have got more than 320 participants for this workshop session. And for this online inaugural session also, we have got 120 plus participants. So that's a remarkable overwhelming response from the participants. And we hope this workshop proves to be a stepping stone towards enhancing knowledge in the field of composites. And once again, I express my sincere gratitude to everyone for making this event a grand success. Thank you one and all, and I wish you all a fruitful and engaging weekend. So, yeah, but that's not what we'll end this session. And yeah, yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for acknowledging me. Now I request Radha Krishna Prasad for his insights on slide.
Very good morning. I was caught by a pleasant surprise actually. Accepting this suit, I do not suit this conference actually. Actually, they have broken this tradition also. After vote of thanks, nothing however, let me take this opportunity. It's a great opportunity for me at the far end of my career at the CBIT. Just only 10 seconds. Yeah, I have just so today is the assembly of gracious assembly of galaxy of researchers, academicians, and administrators and students, vibrant students. Okay, and I'm so happy to address all of you on this momentous occasion. I'm so happy and then delighted. Only one or two words that I would like to tell you. And I was so amazed by going through the profiles of Dr. Anil Kumar Garu, who is an outstanding scientist, who is standing up in the research area of the materials. Sir, every one of us know it, being the engineers, materials matter. For any structure, for any product, materials matter. Without the materials, we cannot imagine any kind of a structure which sustains and which is going to be having the durability. So these scientists are doing the human service, what we can understand in the area of the composites. And the composites is the need of the hour for the sustainability and all that. So we are so happy, sir, for gracing this occasion, as well as bringing the galaxy of the research persons with the help of Veera Brahmam Garu and the way it had been contributing for the sustainability practices. Okay, big round of applause. Big round of applause to all the people who are working in the advanced system laboratories on the composites and the materials, because for the world to sustain for longer, there is a great need for the research, as what they have told it is, for the sustainability, for the lightweight, for the green technologies, and all that these people are doing excellent service. So here, on behalf of CBIT, on behalf of the mechanical department, I want to thank you abundantly for collaborating with the CBIT such that, sir, I feel that you are working on the reinforcing composites also. So that I am using the word with your permission. Okay, our research foundation as well is going to get further reinforced, as well as with the help of all of you people, we are able to build, CBIT is able to build the superstructure, and then we become, even as an educational institution, a research button, and the other institutes also would look up to us. That is all possible with the highest research wherever it takes place in defense research, in the DRDL, ESL, with all the help of you only it is going to be possible. And that too it is happening. It is a flagship event. That too it is happening in the very first week of the January 2025. That is a very auspicious time for us for strengthening our research. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Thank you.
So what are thanks would have been reflected?
It is served by valuable words and the guest. I request the chief guest and guest of honor present a student coordinator with a small token for appreciation for their tireless efforts in support of the student. I'd like to call upon Chandana, Surya Bardhan, Vignesh, Surya Bardhan, okay.
అలా వెళ్ళుకున్నాను సార్ అలా వెళ్ళిపోయింది ఓకే మరి
Anuji, Sri Chati,
Somebody read his name also.
thank you everyone for your presence, enthusiasm, and cooperation. Look forward to engaging and insightful workshop ahead. Now, let us take a short break for tea. After tea break, we will every time to be present for online teaching.
Okay, ఇంకా. ఎందుకు లైవ్ స్ట్రీమ్ యూట్యూబ్ కూడా కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి అసలు.
బయట